So I decided to make a little review about my meat thermometer, my cooking thermometer. I mainly use this for smoking meat. I have been smoking meat for over 40 years, and so I've been through a lot of thermometers, of course, and this is absolutely the best, the very best of the ones I tried. So it's a BFOUR. It's called BFOUR Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. It is run by an app. You put your settings in with an app, a very easy app to deal with, and you can keep track of the temperature like almost up to 200 feet away. So that's great. The thermometer have a little stand here. Whoop, like that. Let me turn it on. Doesn't show anything now because there's no probes in. It can have up to 6 probes. I always use 2 pretty much every roast I make, every pulled pork, every rib. I even use probes for ribs. I use 2 because it always turns out that if one probe shows the correct temperature, another probe shows something completely different. So I make sure that the lowest probe temperature is always up to the minimum meat internal temperature. Anyway, you can buy this one on Amazon. There will be a link in the description below. I'm just gonna run through. This is my where are you? Here. This is my one of the probes. You can get it with up to 6 probes when you buy it, included. Just plug it in here, and you have the outside temperature here, 92 degrees. As you can see, the preset is 180 degrees. That's where the alarm will go off when it reaches 180 degrees. But I will open the app and let you know how this works, or how you set it. It is so super easy. You can preset 11 types of food temperatures, and you can add your own custom temperature. That's what I usually do. I have like from 150 and 155, 160 and so on and up. And it's very accurate, by the way. It's very accurate. It is the specification says plus minus 1.8 Fahrenheit, which is 1 Celsius. So it's not going to be better than that. It is made very well. This one I've hit the ground a couple of times at least, and it's still going strong. I bought this originally with 2 years ago. I had it for 2 years. I bought it originally with 3 probes. I only 2 left. One of them, I think I had it underwater at some point, but that's not a good thing to do. Never, even no matter what they're saying. So let me get the app up running, and I can show you how to set it. So here I have the app open. And you're gonna see the broken Bluetooth signal symbol on the top right. You'll hit that, and it will take you to the high HCI tool scan, and you will enable that. When that's enabled, you will see your grill 5.0. You hit that. And you're gonna get back to your main screen. And you can see I already set it to 205. So I'm adding another probe here. You can see it is set to 180. And I just hit that lower section with a 180. I just tap that, and here are all my choices. See all the lower ones from 135, that's the ones I've added myself. And I go in and I choose 205 and hit preset, and it's done. And as you can see now, I have my two probes attached, and the preset is 205. As soon as the 205 degrees is reached, an alarm will go off. So this is it. I can very much recommend this. It is super useful with all the probes you can have. I have in each layer in my smoker. I many times I use 4 layers of meat at the same time, and I can have probes in all over the place. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. Thank you.